to my channel. Now I have been getting so many requests for this video. I mean calls, texts, DMs.
Ain't nobody asked me for this video.
I'm literally just doing this video in light of having 300 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel. If you are not a part of the Heir family and you would like to be, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to get right into this. First, I start off with skincare. Of course, I use the Ordinary product line, but we will go over that in another video. So now I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the color NC23. Is this 23? Girl, I'm trying to be lighter than I am. This is NC35. I do put my concealer on first, go right under the under eye first, which is a little bit backwards for some people, but this is how I enjoy doing it, to give me that really bright under eye. We're gonna let that marinate. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to brows. I am taking a flat brush from the beauty supply store, but this works really, really well for underneath my eyebrows. I'm going to take the same concealer, the MAC NC35, and I'm going to actually outline my brows first before I fill them in. I already have thicker brows, so I don't like to overfill them like 2016.
Bruh.
But going to make them nice and natural and still full. So I kind of like raise my eyebrow up because I can see my line clear. And then I just outline the whole brow. I do give myself a higher arch than I normally have. I just like this look because it lifts my eyes and makes it appear wider and brighter. I'll take my NW45. I am going more towards the warmer side of foundation because it helps cover up my acne scars. I am, however, a yellow bone. But I am more yellow than I am more on the warmer side. My brows are done. We're going to get right into foundation. Like I said, I use NW45 in MAC Studio Fix. I'm going to put this right on the back of my hands to kind of control how much I use. I do start with my forehead and work my way down. in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the color 310. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this under my eye with the applicator. This is my favorite concealer, y'all. She just did a very good job on the formula. It's very smooth and creamy. I naturally get creases under my eyes, but this, it's not as much. With my Nyx Mocha concealer, this is their HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And this one's really good. And I just go old school with it. And I just outline a little bit higher than my cheekbones are. See right here, right here. I take it along the side of my face. Then on my forehead, do a really big line. And then right underneath my jawline. Everyone always asks me how my jawline looks so tight. Now that is something that people ask me. I look so tight, and it's really because
you need to do is tilt, tuck, and tighten.
I contour underneath my jawline. So we're gonna do a little bit opposite. We're going to blend in the dark concealer before we do the light, because again, I want that to sit on my face and get nice and tacky for more coverage.
Bruh.
I'm gonna go ahead with the concealer and start blending that in. Now that we kind of let that sit, we're gonna let it sit even longer. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder, and this is the color 360 in Mocha. I'm going to take a big NYX brush. This is actually a powder brush. I like to use it for my contour. And we're just going to lightly tap that into the face. Okay, now we're going to go back in under the eye. Now we're going to take the Fit Me powder again, this time in the color 332. This is Golden Caramel. And we're going to take a Morphie brush. This is the N530. And I'm going to swirl that in there, getting a lot of product on there, and just pressing that under the eye immediately before I start creasing. Okay, y'all, don't judge me. We're going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Fighter, because we're ready to fight. No, I'm joking. And I'm going to put some of that on my hand. It is a super pretty, like, burnt orange color. And what I do is I take my beauty blender, the bottom of it, or the butt, whatever you want to call it, and then this is where I do my blush. I like to spray with the Urban Decay All Nighter, and I just spray this all over. So now we are going to go in with the NYX On The Rise, because we on the rise, we moving, we growing, we glowing in 2020. This is so sponsored. I'm like, I wish I was sponsored, but I'm like holding the product perfectly like this, like. Guys, I got this eyeliner from the beauty supply store. I cannot tell you what kind it is because it is wiped off, but I can tell you that it is a felt tip eyeliner, and I do just like to wing the corner of my eyes. I really don't like to go into my eyes with the eyeliner. I want to take my eyelashes. These are Ardelle eyelashes in 113. They are my favorite. However, I do cut them to about half the length that they come in. One, because my eyes are super tiny and small, and then because I like more of a winged look. Now, do not judge me. I feel you judging me. I put my eyelashes on with my fingers. I just feel like I have the most control holding the edges of them and then placing it onto my lash line. Yeah, the rumors are not true. We do not fight people because we put eyelashes on with our fingers. Now that we have our lashes done, now for my favorite part, and I say this for last because it is my favorite, we're going to go in with that 360 Mocha Fit Me powder with our Morphie M532 brush. And I'm going to carve out my nose for you guys. I start at my brow, where my brow starts. Down to the tip of my nose. I'll just blend that out really nicely into my eyebrow so it's nice and seamless. And then I go into the upper crease of my eye. And then I circle around the highest point of my nose. Now I'm going to take my NYX slide liner, and this is nude suede shoe. Now I'm going to take the Morphie liquid lipstick in the color True Story. Now I'm going to take my favorite gloss bomb. This is Fenty Beauty, and this is the color Fenty Glow. Now, a little secret for making my lips look a lot larger than what they are, because that's what I like. I'm going to take, again, our Mocha Fit Me powder with the same M532 brush. And I'm going to go like this. And create a shadow underneath my lip. And that completes my everyday makeup look. If you guys like this video, make sure you like it. Tell a friend so they can join the Heir family. If you want to be my auntie, my sister, my cousin, my uncle, brother, and them, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you.